Albert Einstein once said, unity conscious living is like looking at your environment as if you're looking in your mirror. A long time ago, a ship from India reached the shores of the Amazon. A young man and woman met, fell in love, and started their own family. After they died, their great-granddaughter was born. She grew up in a peaceful environment and experienced oneness. As a toddler, she found herself in her grandmother's orchard, and she marveled at how a banana tree produces bananas. That day, she became aware of an all-pervading intelligence, invisible intelligence, without a name or form, which connects everything and provides all beings with information. Since that day, she has been able to see visible and invisible connections and patterns in life. That makes her become aware of the solutions and the causes of complex problems in life. At the age of 10, she moved to the Netherlands with her family, and since then she has lived in two different worlds. A world of unity, where oneness and interconnectedness and equality prevail, people communicating in the language of oneness, such as us, we, together, and a world of duality, where inequality, separation, and hierarchy prevail, people communicating in a language of opposites, such as good and evil, black and white, us and them. I am that girl. I've always been curious what the driving forces are of people and leaders, both in my own life and with my clients. Whenever I encounter obstacles, I start with self-reflection and self-examination to find the solutions within myself. One day, I discovered that I was homesick for India, and that even though I have never been there. And I discovered that my great-grandfather had also been homesick for India. I unconsciously inherited from him. And I discovered that I was avoiding people who looked like me. And that made me feel sad. After the transformation, the feeling of homesickness has disappeared. A bigger world opened up for me, and I can enjoy life more without feeling guilty. At birth, we receive an invisible backpack, and it contains two main items. One is love and our core values, health, happiness, and peace. And the other one is pain caused by traumas, lost potential, and desires from our ancestors and society. Wherever we go, we carry our backpack with us and unconsciously influence each other, project our feelings onto each other, and behave in a certain way. For example, when people meet, they can feel aversion or attraction to someone else, or people who are bullied start bullying themselves. Leaders who order to injure or even kill people. Both the perpetrator and the victim are traumatized, and they pass their trauma on to their next generations, who on their turn start to project the pain onto people around them. Eventually, we end up in a vicious cycle of pain and sorrow. And the question is, how can we break this cycle of pain and sorrow in a sustainable way? Albert Einstein once said, you cannot solve a problem from the same perspective as it created is. So, for centuries, we are conditioned to view our world from an old paradigm of duality, which is the root cause of conflicts, crisis, and polarization. And that's the reason why people and organizations fall back into old habits and patterns. We do not live in a separate world. We live in a quantum field of unity. The only way to break this cycle is to change our perspective on life to a new paradigm of unity consciousness and undergo a deep inner human revolution. So what's necessary to do is that we should heal our wounds, turn our pain into love, forgive each other, and restore our heart-to-heart connection and co-create healthy relationships, healthy societies, and healthy organizations, absolute happiness and peace. So the three basic principles of this new paradigm of leadership are, first, we are all interconnected, interdependent, and influencing each other constantly. Second, if we can expand our consciousness by viewing our outer world as a reflection of our inner self. And the third is that we are all leaders able to find the solutions within ourselves. This new paradigm of leadership is a bridge from duality to unity. It's a journey from our head to our heart. And it's a road from adversity to prosperity. Thank you.